Hey, Mike Bosco with you again. Today we are back in Lansbrook, the Oakmont subdivision of Lansbrook. We've got a house that'll be hitting the market tomorrow. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, over 2,700 square feet. 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a den, open floor plan, really nice screen enclosure area in the back with overlooking a great view of the golf course. You got the community pool just 3 doors down. Great view of the pond across the street. So if you'd like to take a look at it, you can either give me a call or click the link in the description below for the video tour. We will be doing an open house this weekend, so probably 12 to 3 on Saturday. So come on by and take a look.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to tour this home, give Mike a call today.